Billions of pages and companies are posting online ads on a daily basis. You are one of them. You have a vast audience to capture, but also numerous competitors who are in similar field. You might think of it as a huge fight to win, but with different approach. You can take it as an opportunity to grow. Here we will tell you how to view your competitor's LinkedIn ad and why you should do it. How to view your competitor's ad. Search for page you want to look for. Visiting its profile, you will find options in horizontal sections such as home, about, life. Click post with another section of options popping up. Click on ads and you will find all the posted advertisement. To view their engagement, click on three dots on the right of the post and copy the ad link. Then simply paste it on the browser. A source to learn, competitors aren't just a section to win over and pass, but an opportunity to learn and grow. A great brand is never hesitant to learn from the competition. With the audience, you should also keep an eye on the competition. Observe them and make a list of do's and don'ts of their activities. You'll get to know about new strategies and marketing tactics which can take you ahead as a seller. Even in the field of selling and marketing, which demands boldness, you'll be successful as long as you move forward as learner. New strategies. A new market trend and strategy is arriving every day, so the best advice is to stick to it and adapt quickly. Following your competitor's strategy will expose you to an all new creative and innovative idea about how to sell your product and put an advertisement, and also to some worst mistake made by them, which will help you stay aware in future. This will also make clear if your strategy is original or is something already used by someone. Keyword suggestions. Your competitor's adword is mine of keyword. Similarly, getting a new strategy, you'll get a bunch of effective keyword which you can use to get the desired response from your AdWords. This will also save a lot of time and effort for searching the keywords. Don't think of it as stealing, but it is a genuine approach as keyword are for universal use and not bound for any ownership. Also a plus point, your competitor will always be updated with the latest keyword, which would be not a hustle to search if you did it yourself.